In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your margin status in Robinhood and avoid margin calls. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what each term means, and how to respond if your account is getting close to a margin call. Start by opening the Robinhood app and heading to the account section, then into investing. This is your central hub for margin details. If you're new to the layout, the account area is where your broader profile and balances live, and the investing view drills into the specifics of your portfolio and margin settings. Once you're there, tap the margin status card. This card is designed to surface the most important margin data in one place, so you don't have to hunt around. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll slightly. Margin information typically appears alongside your portfolio metrics. Now review the key items shown: your risk level, total maintenance requirement, buffer, and portfolio value. Think of risk level as a quick traffic light. Low risk suggests you have comfortable room above your requirements. High risk means you're close to a margin call and should pay extra attention. The total maintenance requirement is the minimum equity your account must maintain given your current positions. Your buffer is the cushion between your current equity and that requirement. The bigger the buffer, the safer you are from a call. Portfolio value is simply the real-time value of your holdings, which fluctuates with the market and affects the other numbers dynamically. Keep an eye out for in-app alerts or messages. Robinhood will surface banners and notifications if you're approaching or already in a margin call. These messages are important because they spell out what triggered the alert and what action is needed. Don't ignore them. Market moves can be fast, and your status can change within minutes during volatile periods. If action is required, you have two main options to satisfy the maintenance margin and prevent forced liquidation: deposit funds or sell stocks. Depositing funds increases your equity and can restore your buffer quickly. Selling positions reduces your maintenance requirement and can also bring you back into compliance. Choose the approach that fits your strategy, time frame, and risk tolerance. If you're selling, consider liquidity and how much reduction you need to restore a healthy buffer. If you're depositing, verify the transfer timeline so you know when the funds will count toward your requirement. That's it. Regularly reviewing this margin status card, understanding each metric, and responding promptly to alerts will help you stay in control and avoid margin calls.